everyone, welcome to the lookbook. I hope you're doing amazing. Please excuse my hair, it is extremely hot and I just had to tie it up. But I'm here with my March favorites like makeup products I absolutely swear by. Then some Netflix shows that I've been loving. Honestly, I had time to watch quite a few. And also body care products. It's summer, it's hot, and there are some that I have been absolutely loving. They're keeping me smelling fresh and just feeling good. So yes, without further ado, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel so that we can hang out more. Also hit on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's jump right in. So the first two products I have here, forget March, I've been loving them since November. The first one is this Mars BB cream. I'm in the shade medium. I personally like using this with a flat top brush because this has a beautiful creamy consistency and it gives a dewy finish. Like you can see on my skin, I don't have any highlighter on, but this glow is just from this product. Now if you do go in with a sponge, it will still blend beautifully, but that shine and that glow sort of goes down a little bit, whereas with the brush it still remains intact. And this gives a light to medium coverage. If I go in with just a little bit more than needed, I can easily give this a medium coverage. Like look at my skin right now, it's absolutely flawless but still looks so skin-like. I've been crushing on this product. It is absolutely the love of my life, and this shade medium is out of stock at the moment and I cannot wait to restock because I just use this every day and you need this in your kit. Like if you're someone who likes minimalistic glowy dewy skin, this is one product you should have, like you must have in your kit, and I highly recommend this. Now the next product is so affordable, it's insane. It's just for 199 rupees, but I don't love it just for the price. The product itself is amazing. I have so many concealers, like all the the hyped, the loved concealers, LA Girl Pro Conceal, Maybelline Age Rewind, L'Oreal, that I don't know the name, but the full wear concealer. I have all of those, the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, but this one is amazing. Like not just for the price, the product itself is super amazing. I also used this as my bronzer for a while, but right now I have a stick which is like I'm liking that a bit more. But these are the two shades that I use. This shade, I use this when I'm doing like a everyday daily makeup. Like right now I only have this shade and this is very close to my skin tone with a little bit of peach undertone, so it cancels out darkness and blends beautifully. And if I'm going for a glam look and I want to highlight just a little bit on the centers, I go in with a pinch of this shade as well. Now this blends beautifully with a brush, you can see in the video, but I do like using this with my fingers a little bit more. Like it becomes even more seamless and one with the skin. So after going in with the brush, I do just tap it a little bit with my fingers, or if it's like a regular day I'm going out with my friends or family, I just take this on my fingers and tap it in. It is super easy to use and so convenient. I'm going to buy like a single of this one, like you get singles of this, and give this to my sister and mom because they are so easy to use and carry around. And like recently I've realized that cream concealers are so much more convenient for beginners who just don't want to go in and carry brushes with them. So and also if you're someone who doesn't know your shade, this is a good addition to your kit. The next product is also a March favorite, but I don't have it on my face right now. It's the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush. What is this? Lip and cheek tint in the shade Coral Blush. Now this might look like a super vibrant orange, but it looks like a beautiful peach on my skin. And this on its own adds such a gorgeous like glow, just a wet look on your skin, and it looks extremely stunning. Just a little bit on your fingers and tap it in. You can use your brush or blender, but I am someone who just likes things quick and likes using my fingers a lot. So yes, but I don't have this on my skin right now. I will be making a dedicated Blue Heaven video, so stay tuned for that. But I'm sure you've seen, and also I cannot wait to pick more shades. I think I'm going to go with a rosy nude, or there's a pinky shade in the range. I'm going to pick that one super soon. But the blush I have on my skin right now is absolutely amazing as well. Now this is from the Cups and Lashes lip and cheek tint, lip, cheek and eye tint range. They actually sent me all 10 of their shades, which I'm extremely grateful for. But I think these two shades, if you are of Okay, let me just open this. If you are of my skin tone, or like a shade or two lighter and darker, medium skin tone basically, you're going to love these two. This is in the shade Boss Mum, and this is the one I have on my cheeks right now, Kulhad. I'm someone who likes a pinky blush, so I never expected to like this one, but there were so many people who rave about, like, this looks like a bronzer or a contour shade. So I have never tried a blush of this shade, and everyone is like, these shades look so amazing. I was like, let me put this on my face, and it looked stunning, especially with a gray eye makeup look like this. This shade looks, it just goes with everything, looks sun-kissed and just absolutely gorgeous. Now this one on its own doesn't add a glow to your face. So right now what you see on my cheeks is the Mars BB cream and not this one. It is more skin-like. Neither is it dewy nor is it matte, which is great for summers because it doesn't move around. The Blue Heaven lip and cheek tint, it lasts pretty long on my face, like easily 5 hours, but this will last even longer. It blends beautifully. Again, I've used my fingers, but you can definitely go in with a brush that blends it beautifully as well, and you just need a little bit. And also this shade on your lids, just a swipe of this. I have a video up on my Instagram using this on my cheeks and this on my lids. They look amazing. If you're of the medium skin tone family, definitely try these two shades. They're just for $3.25. They are multi-purpose. Now, I personally don't like anything on my lips that will just wear off in a couple of hours. I like extremely long-lasting products. So that is the only reason why I don't use them on my lips. But otherwise, as a lip cheek tint and an eye tint, they are amazing and stunning. Now for the bronzer stick I was talking about, this is the NIVEA all-in-one stick in the shade Toffee. I'll have the number and everything on the screen. Also, everything will be linked below in the description box. Definitely check that out for easy access. Also, I'll have my Amazon store linked where everything, like you'll have this look, whatever I've used on my face right now, linked in one place, which makes it super easy to shop. Those are affiliate links. Yeah, this blends so beautifully, and this is not extremely pigmented. It is just the right amount of pigmentation. All the products here, in fact, they're just the right amount of pigmentation. That is what I like personally, and it is super creamy and just blends seamlessly and looks amazing. I absolutely love this. Now this has been raved about, like maybe in 2020 people used to love this and now no one is talking about it, but I really wanted a bronzer stick, affordable bronzer stick in my collection, and this just performs beautifully. And definitely try this out. I wish NIVEA had, like, just like the Blue Heaven sticks, they had blushes in this formula, because this formula is gorgeous. The next one is an honorable mention. I've been using this for months now. I think I got this in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Brow Gel. I have the shade Deep Brown, and this is like, if you have brows like mine, they're already pretty full. I don't need to fill them in with an additional color. I just want a little bit of volume and something that will hold them in place, that will set them in place like this. So this one is perfect for it, and the brush tip on it is extremely thin, and the product doesn't go all over your skin. So even after you have done your foundation and base work, eyeshadow, you can still use this product. Also, it has some fiber particles on it, which adds volume. It's a one-and-done product, and this is all I use on my brows. The next one is a mascara. This is the Sugar Cosmetics Lash Mob Limitless Mascara in 01 Black with a Bang. Sugar Cosmetics had sent in like a bunch of their products, and I haven't had the chance to try out everything, but this is one of the products that I absolutely fell in love with. It removes really well. Now, I know that's a weird thing to start with, but with mascara, I've tried quite a few that apply amazing and look like false lashes on your eyes, but they don't remove that easily. You need, obviously this doesn't remove with a micellar water, you will need oil cleanser, but still, I have the Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal, and it's a hassle even after using oil cleanser. It takes me minutes to remove it, and I feel like I'm stripping out my lashes, and I don't like that feeling. But this applies beautifully. Like, look at my lashes right now, they look stunning like falsies. It's all about the minimal look right now, and I am loving it. Even though I have glitters and a gray dark grungy eyeshadow on my lids, I did not feel the need to go in with false lashes. Just a good coat of this mascara and you're sorted. It's not clumpy, drying, or doesn't flake on your skin. And yes, I absolutely love this. So if you're on the lookout for a good mascara, try this out. Now for lip products, actually I have quite a few favorites, but most of them I've already mentioned in previous videos. So I just want to mention one product, and this is a new unique product, and I had never experienced anything like this in my collection. So this is the Blue Heaven lip tint in the shade this is Brick Beauty. This is in the shade Brick Beauty. I have this on my lips right now. It's a peachy pink shade. This stays on your lips for easily 8 to 12 hours, even more. I slept through the night, woke up. This is not something you can just put your micellar water and remove. This actually stains your lips, but it is so comfortable. Like, it doesn't emphasize crack lines, it's not drying, and it's a extremely thin liquidy product. In fact, if you don't like something so simple on your lips, like right now it looks like I just have a little bit of color on my lips, which is exactly what this does, but you have a creamy lipstick that doesn't last super long. So apply this as a base coat, and even after your creamy lipstick is off your lips, before you can reapply it or do a touch up, you'll still have a hint of this beautiful color on your lips. So I highly recommend this. The only thing is, I'm not very impressed with the shades they have in their range. They're extremely bright pink or super dark shades, and when it comes to tints, I want more nude shades. So it'll be great if they can come up with more shades like this, like muted shades that almost look like your lips but better. So yes, those were all the makeup products I had. Now let's move on to body care products. Now the first two products I don't have here with me, but I'll pop a picture. So the first one is the NIVEA Crème Care body wash. For a really long time I was using body gels, and I realized that no, body washes work so much better for me, and they feel so much better. Like, just the switch from body gels to body wash has been amazing for me. So if you haven't tried body washes, definitely try them, because I know body gels are more popular, they are more used in the market, but I love a good body wash now. And this one smells like a warm, milky vanilla fragrance. It's a very soothing scent back from my childhood, and I absolutely love it. It's nothing fresh or fruity. It's more along the sweet lines, but still soothing sweet. It's not extremely sugar sweet. And yeah, I absolutely love that one. The texture feels amazing, and it just keeps me smelling good and refreshed throughout the day. The next one is the Vaseline Cocoa Butter Body Lotion. Now, while I was shopping for a bunch of body products in my Nykaa Pink Friday sale, one of you guys suggested this, and this is like a cult favorite, super old product that almost everyone has tried once in their life. So I was like, let me pick this up, and oh my god, it is so amazing. It feels like, again, warm chocolate, like milky chocolate, and just feels and smells amazing. It is not greasy or sticky on your skin, so you can still use this in the summer months. Like, skip your body oil and just put that moisturizer lotion, and it feels amazing, smells amazing. Yeah, I don't think I can explain it much, but if you are looking for a new scent or a new body lotion, pick that up. The last hygiene product that I absolutely cannot do without is this roll-on deodorant. This is the Dove Eventone Nourishing Cream deodorant. Now, I was using roll-ons back in class 8th, and after that I think we all stopped using them. I don't know why, but I cannot wait to pick up a few more variants. Like, there's a cucumber one, and I think the basic blue one as well, and also NIVEA has a few roll-on deodorants, but those have alcohol in them, and this is more like moisturizing, creamy texture. So I do think that I like this. I will like this better. I haven't tried those, but this one is amazing. And Dove body products in general, they're very soothing and calming and feel refreshing. This also holds in your sweat, and it's like a good base to have before going in with any fragrance, like going in with a perfume or a mist. If you have this on, those things, they don't last that long, but this one, it lasts for hours throughout the day, like easily 12 hours. So yes, I think everyone should have a roll-on deodorant. So pick this one if you're looking for a new one, and I will for sure pick a few more variants from the Dove roll-on. Now coming to the fun part, let's talk about my favorite Netflix shows, and definitely leave your favorites in the comment section because I'm free right now. I'm at home with my parents and I'm not pressuring myself into creating a lot of content. I'm working my office hours and filming enough to post every day on Instagram and every Sunday on YouTube. By the way, if you did not know, I post every Sunday on YouTube. So yes, I had the time to watch quite a few Netflix shows, and these are my favorites. Starting with Bridgerton. Finished it in one day. I was up the entire night, and the season 2 was my favorite. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but I am among those few who loved season 2 way more than season 1. Not going to give spoilers, but I think they call them Kathani. Kate and Anthony, they are absolute love. Their chemistry is amazing, and I do wish to see more of them, like maybe their wedding day and their married life in the next season. We know that is coming, but 1 year is a long time still. This one was amazing. Inventing Anna. I'm not the kind of person who likes watching stuff that, you know, likes watching Netflix shows where I have to put my head, but this was a witty, refreshing, and a bunch of smart people, and Anna was so manipulative that it was amazing to watch. I don't know how to describe it. Inventing Anna was a super interesting watch, and if you haven't seen it yet, I'll highly recommend. Now I will say that this is not for everyone. It's not a feel-good show. It's more of a, you know, work your brains out of like, what is happening, how is she doing this, and everyone around her are so stupid, but then the girl still doesn't realize, like, she doesn't think that she's doing anything wrong, which is how. So yeah, that was a super interesting watch. Then 2 K-dramas. I really like K-dramas, but I haven't seen any of the classic old K-dramas. I've only seen, like, before this, I've seen What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, Vincenzo, and It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Out of those, Vincenzo is my favorite, and I did start the Nine-Tailed Fox. I don't know the exact name, but I left it in between. Supernatural, not my cup of tea. But right now, I've been loving Business Proposal. It has the same What's Wrong with Secretary Kim vibe, but it's just a feel-good, happy watch. It makes me smile, and yeah, I love that show. 25-21. I was not going to watch it, but when Jungkook said that he's loving the show, I was like, now I have to. So this is way more different than Business Proposal. Business Proposal is cutesy and happy to watch, but 25-21, I have cried so many times watching it. Like, there's always something new to learn, and these are such young people going through such amazing experiences with such supportive parents in this series, which is just refreshing to watch. And yes, if you haven't watched it, I will say that Business Proposal is something, like, if you watch one episode, you'll fall in love. But 25-21, it did take me a few episodes to warm up to it, but I'm happy I did. And thank you, Jungkook, for recommending this, because this show is amazing. While we are still waiting for the final episodes of 25-21 and Business Proposal to air, I gave into the hype and watched Euphoria. I did not finish it because honestly, that show is not for me. It's way too realistic and dark for my liking. I love the makeup looks and the outfits that they wear, but I can easily find it on social media. It was just, I think, I don't know, it was just not for me. I understand the hype, but still, not my cup of tea. So yes, these were all my March favorites, and I think I'm going to make this a series because every month I try out so many new products and I do want to share them with you guys. And these are products I hope you guys know that I absolutely swear by. I have tried them for months and months, and like some of the Blue Heaven ones are new, but I've tried them easily 20 times now to have a proper opinion on them. So definitely check these products out. All the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Maybe leave a comment and tell me about your March favorites. Meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.